What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know if this video or my favorite current skincare items is going first, but whichever one is up first, you will notice that I am in the same sweater from that video, and it is because it is the same day. Surprise, surprise, I found my videos back to back, only sometimes. But anyway, this video is not about skincare. As you can tell from the title, this is a review on my newest addition to my handbag collection. This is the Louis Vuitton, excuse me while I try to pronounce this, Pochette Metis? I don't even know. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce my own bag. This is an issue. This is just my new Louis Vuitton bag. And it's the, I'll put the name here, how about that? Pochette Metis monogram leather bag. Okay, anyway, moving on. I wanted to give you a review on this, and I figured I would kind of show you what's inside because you guys always love to see kind of what these bags can fit. This bag retails for $2,230, so it is a luxury bag. Do not yell at me for how I spend my money. It's a luxury unboxing slash review slash what's in my bag. Anyway, I love this bag. What I love lately is I feel like bags like this are really trending because they have the top handle and the crossbody, and something about that is just really in right now. I love it. I love carrying it by a crossbody, and I kind of just go like that, you know, nothing too fancy, hold it like that, or I have been wearing a crossbody, or I have been wearing it just long on my shoulder, hanging there. You guys can see my sweatpants. Yep, I don't have real pants on, I am in sweatpants. Another behind the scenes of a YouTuber's life. So I kind of want to walk you through, first off, why I love this bag. I mean, look at it. It's a beautiful, stunning bag, but what I love the most is that it fits so much. I love that it's just super simple. That's why I got the black color over like the classic like brown and tan. I'm like the most unlegit luxury unboxer ever. If you are cringing, feel free to leave this video. But anyway, I stuck with the black just because I felt like it would go with most of my wardrobe. I feel like it's the perfect fall and winter bag. So we're gonna get right into it. So how it opens is you just pinch these two things together, and then it opens and it looks like this. And then there's three, oh okay, stuff's already falling out of here. Three huge compartments here, the middle, and here, and then the back with a zipper as well, which I love because you could put stuff in there that you want to make sure won't fall out. You know, like a night of drinking, I always open my bag and stuff goes everywhere. So anything of value I put in the back pocket. So I don't even know what's in this bag. I've been wearing it like every day for the past 2 weeks, so there's probably a lot of crap in here, but we're gonna go through it together. So as you can see, it fits a bunch of stuff, and I like that it still closes and you can't even tell that it looks like, it doesn't look like there's a lot in here. So we are gonna pull out what is in this bag just so I could prove to you how much it really does hold. So let's start with the biggest thing. So first off, guys, I'm dropping everything. This is just a fail, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna just go with it. First off is my wallet. Yes, I have the matching wallet. This was not intended. I've had this for months now, and I just like really like the look of the black leather for Louis. I also like, the reason why I chose getting a Louis bag over like a Dior or a Prada, which is super in right now, is I just feel like Louis Vuitton's a little bit more classic and timeless, and it won't go out of style. I feel like I invested so much in so many Gucci bags, and now they're kind of like on the way out, which is disappointing. So I feel like this I get years and years of use, and I feel like I'll never go out of style. It's a classic. So anyway, before I keep rambling, I have my wallet in there. This is like, there's a lot in here, so it's like kind of thick, but it is a little wallet. I just personally like little wallets better. I have a compact in here, which I've never used from here once, so I never really am the type of person to put makeup on throughout the day. I put it on in the morning and then leave and then forget it's in my bag and never retouch. But this is just the Laura Mercier Baked Highlight. I have, this I actually do use. This is the, it's like a lip mask. It's so dry here right now, so this is lip gloss. All right, my sunglasses and my sunglass case are just sitting next to each other in the bag. The glasses aren't in the case, which they should be, but these are just from Calvin Klein, and this is just like a 5th and 9th sunglass case. What I like about this case is it's super thin, so it fits in there so nice. I have a Cliff Bar. Oh, that's why. I was running to my friend's house this weekend. She lives like all the way in Jersey, so I took the train to her house, and I thought I was gonna get hungry. I guess I didn't. Crunchy peanut butter flavor if you are curious. Then I have my AirPods, my trusty AirPods, which are like my favorite thing ever. I have, I'm just showing you everything because why not? Oh, I have a receipt from ShopRite from when I was in New Jersey. We went grocery shopping for her Friendsgiving thing. I have a pack of gum, 5, peppermint cobalt, my favorite flavor ever. And then I have a hand sanitizer, so this is pretty big and it fits right in there perfectly. What is this? Oh, I have like a random hair clip. It was like giving me a headache one day at lunch, so I just took it off. And then I have my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This will burn the shit out of your lips, but guys, it really plumps them up, and I need that. I'm like missing a top lip almost, so I like to plump them up. And then I have my, what shade is this? This is by Laura Mercier as well, and it's in the shade Plumberry, and it's really pretty. I just kind of put it on the bottom and then on my Cupid's bow, and then we'll do like a little bit of a liquid lipstick, and then I put this on, and that's been like my lip routine. And that is it, guys. I don't know why people do that in an unboxing, as if you, or like what's in my purse. Everyone shakes out their bag as if you don't believe me, and it's almost like, I don't know if I want all that stuff to fall out. Let's see if anything is in here. Nothing is in this back pocket. So as you can see, it fits a lot of stuff, and I really like that. I think that's why I go for this as more of like an everyday bag rather than a going out bag, but you could definitely wear it going out as well. I would maybe take this off or just like tuck it in, but I would like use it as more of a top handle bag for going out. I also love that this bag is super durable. I'm not the type of person who buy a luxury bag, wear it once, and it sits in the dust ruffle or the dust bag and just like sits in the closet. Like, I wear these bags to the death of me. Like, I will wear them out so bad, but I almost feel like that's the purpose of buying a luxury bag, is that they can handle it, and like that's why I spend so much money on them, so I can enjoy them, not so like they just sit in my closet and look pretty. But I have been wearing this bag every single day, and it's just, it feels super strong, durable. I don't have to worry about it getting scratched or scuffed. I also feel like that's what I like about this black leather. It's not like a smooth leather, it's a pebbled leather, so I feel like that's a little bit better, so you don't see any marks on it. But it is such a beautiful bag, the perfect size, fits so much. Love that you could wear it like this, or like this, or like this. We're gonna ignore the sweatpants, guys. Like that, or even crossbody. You guys can't even see it, but you get the point. There's a lot of ways to wear this bag, and it fits so much, and I think that's why I like it, so I definitely recommend it. I know it's a huge price, but I think you can find that has been my day today. You could definitely find it secondhand for a little bit more affordable. So I will put a bunch of links down below from like the actual Louis Vuitton store, or from like other places that you could maybe get it secondhand used. I do that for a lot of my bags. I think it's perfectly fine as long as it's 100% authentic, like not in like that bad of quality. So if you guys have any questions about this bag, feel free to comment down below or private message me. I would love to answer you. And I'm gonna start to do some more luxury reviews. You guys have asked for them on like my Dior saddle bag and one of my other Gucci bags, so maybe I'll do those next week. But let me know down below if you want to see any luxury reviews, and maybe this will help to like get me to justify all my luxury bag spending. Not really sure what I'm saying, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.